Operations of ultrasonic machining comprises of tool, abrasive slurry, workpiece, pump, cooler, support, feed, tool holder, high frequency current of single phase of 115 volts, transducer coil, and nickel laminations. Ultrasonic machining is an economical process by which we can produce cavity or hole in the hard and brittle materials. The sequence of operation is given below. Electrical supply is given to high frequency generator. High frequency generator creates an alternating magnetic field which expands and contracts the stack made of magnetostrictive material transducer to get maximum magnetostriction. High frequency AC current is superimposed with DC pre-magnetizing current. Since the frequency of the magnetic field created by AC signal is same as that of the normal frequency of the transducer, mechanical resonance occurs. Transducer length is equal to half of the length. Oscillation of amplitude obtained from the transducer is about 5 microns, which is very small for metal removal. Therefore, it is amplified to 40 to 50 microns by fitting amplifiers into the output end of the transducer. Acoustic horn transmits the mechanical energy to the tool and concentrates power on small machining area. The tool is fed into the workpiece by an automatic feed mechanism. It has a provision for measurement of static pressure exerted by the tool and penetration depth measurement. Abrasive slurry under pressure is supplied to the working gap between the tool and the workpiece by a centrifugal pump. Abrasive particles are hammered by the tool into the workpiece surface and they abrade the workpiece into the conjugate image of the tool form. Tool feed mechanism. The feed mechanism of an ultrasonic machine must perform the following functions. Bring the tool slowly to the workpiece to prevent breaking. The tool must provide adequate cutting force and sustain it during the machining operation. The cutting force must be decreased when the specified depth is reached. Overrun a small distance to ensure the required hole size at the exit. The tool has to come back to its initial position after machining is done. There are 4 types of feed mechanisms which are commonly used in ultrasonic machining: gravity feed mechanism, spring-loaded feed mechanism, pneumatic or hydraulic feed mechanism, motor-controlled feed mechanism. Gravity feed mechanism. In this mechanism, counter balance weights are used to apply the required load to the head through pulley and rope arrangement. In order to reduce friction, ball bearings are used. Gravity feed mechanisms are simple in construction, but this mechanism is insensitive and inconvenient to adjust. The 2 diagrams indicating counterweight with rope and pulley and counterweight with lever and fulcrum. Spring-loaded feed mechanism. In this mechanism, spring pressure is used to feed the tool during the machining operation. This type of mechanism is quite sensitive and easy to adjust. Pneumatic or hydraulic feed mechanism. In this mechanism, hydraulic cylinder is used to give a linear motion of the tool. High feed rate and accurate positioning are possible with hydraulic feed mechanism. Motor controlled feed mechanism. This mechanism is used for precise control of the tool feed movement. The diagram indicating motor control feed mechanism consists of counterweight, speed reducer, stalled motor to develop torque, pinion, concentrator, acoustic head, dashpot, and control to adjust fluid resistance.